Welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for stopping by. My sister Angie is joining me, and today we'll be looking at Volume 5 of the Glimpse Jamaica Through Word Search puzzle book collection. This volume is pretty much talking about Christmas time in Jamaica. We will be just thumbing through the book and taking a walk down memory lane and look at some of our favorite things that we enjoyed during Christmas time. Angie, welcome.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Yes, so we have to remember that, Jesus is the
The
reason,
reason for the season. Yeah.
right? Because the word Christ is a part of Christmas. So, yeah, Christmas is actually celebrating the birth of Jesus. And in Jamaica, of course, church
Yeah.
is a big thing.
Yes.
Church was a
yes.
big thing.
The play,
And
the birth of Jesus, the play.
right.
As a little kid, you want to be baby Jesus.
Oh, really? You wanted to be baby Jesus? Oh dear.
Sometimes you end up being an animal,
Yeah,
a sheep
yeah,
or something.
yeah.
But
You, you never,
but
you
I
never
remember
want,
the plays.
you never want that part being the
No,
animal.
no, 'cause you're just there. But
Hmm.
even as baby Jesus, you're just there, but you're baby Jesus.
Yeah, right. I never had the desire to be baby Jesus. Maybe because I'm a girl.
You wanted
But
to be
I
Mary.
remember at one point actually playing Mary, and that's a big role.
Yeah, yeah.
To have the role of mom, dad, a speaking role then.
A speaking role.
That's
Yeah,
big.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
really big.
yeah.
Yeah. But that was fun at school, taking part in the Christmas play at school and at church.
Yeah. Thinking
We
about
had
the
a Christmas
carols. The
program.
carols, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
and the
The program.
carols,
The
singing
carols.
carols.
That was
Yeah,
always something special.
very
Singing the
special.
carols. Yeah.
Very special. And that's one of the big indicators to that Christmas was coming. You start hearing the carols on the
Yeah.
radio
Yeah.
or the Christmas songs.
And
And my
this
gosh,
December 1st.
that was just a lovely marker. Because once the Christmas carols start coming, whew, yeah,
Yep.
something very special is
Yep.
coming. So talking about carols, um, which carols did you like?
Hark the Herald Angels sing.
You love that one?
Yeah.
I love, as a child and to date, I still love Joy to the World. Maybe because
Yeah.
it's such a happy, upbeat song. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive King. I
Um,
love that song. I think it's because it's upbeat. But as a child, I also loved Away in a Manger.
yes. Is that here? Yeah, here it is, the third one.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
somehow, every time, Hark the Herald Angels sing. Don't
That
know
was
why.
yours.
That was mine. I love all the others,
And to
but that
date,
one.
really?
hmm Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
Don't know what it is about that song, but that was my song.
One of the sisters. I won't say any names.
What was it? What was it?
used
Sing
to
it again.
used,
Oh,
used,
come on.
used to say, "Oh come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphal."
Who said that? That was not me.
I will not call any names,
That was
but one
not
of
me.
us used to sing that. But just total innocence.
Yeah, of course.
Have no idea what the
It's
song
what we
was saying.
hear. This is what we hear. This is what we
Yeah.
repeat.
Yeah, and you wanna sing. And that's what happens when you really want to sing a song because it's your song
And you
and you
sing
don't know
or
the
you
words, you
know
just
it.
put
Yeah,
in your own words.
yeah.
Everybody loved Deck the Halls.
Do you
Deck
hear
the
what I
halls with bells
hear?
of holly. Do you hear what I
Yes.
hear?
It's the most wonderful time
It's
of
the
year.
most wonderful time.
And why? Because mommy loved Johnny Mattis.
Right.
And that was on Johnny Matthis' album.
Well,
And he always loved to sing that song. So
yes, that's true.
yeah.
That's true. And you know what? On that same Johnny Matthis album, there's the Winter Wonderland. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, ho ho ho. Remember, that was one of the lines. So would get on
Yes.
either the broom or the mop and would ride, giddy up, all through the house, between the furniture, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, turn around. Me and the boys, yeah, when they were very small. And funny enough, we had the conversation recently, and they remember. It's just one of the most playful little things to do with the Christmas songs. One of my all-time favorites with the Jamaican Christmas songs is Christmas Coming.
Christmas coming.
Yeah.
Coming.
Oh yeah. Christmas coming. Friday you get to pay.
Santa ketchup in a mango tree. That's the one.
Yes, you remember that one?
Oh yeah.
Who sang? Was it Faith Aguilar?
Wish you a Irish Christmas.
Wish you a Irish Christmas. And yes, I remember that. A Irish Christmas.
Wonderful. Christmas.
Jacob Miller.
Yeah. Jacob Miller Christmas songs. I have his album. So dated. I have his CD.
The album.
I have the album.
You have the album. Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? Right.
Carleen Davis.
Yes.
Carleen Davis.
Good. Yeah. That song was pretty popular as well.
Yeah, that's a classic.
Classic. For real. Just like how, Santa up in the mango, ketchup in the mango tree. Yeah. What were some of the things that made you aware that Christmas was on its way?
The chilly mornings. Somehow the weather just changed and you knew something was happening. Christmas are coming.
Yes, right? Excitement.
Chilly night, for real. The cool breeze. We used to call it Christmas breeze.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
Christmas
I remember
breeze.
that.
Freshly painted house and whitewashing the bottom of the trees.
Yeah. Yes.
But
the garden stones too. Like in the garden. The stones. Right.
The stones.
Right.
Crash program workers, yes.
Yes. That yeah. I vividly remember the crash program workers coming.
They were
out.
busy. That was the time when them get work.
Right.
So I see here office parties. That would be later.
Right.
When we started working.
Right.
And that you look forward to.
Yeah. I remember for office parties, we used to start going to office parties like from December 1st, because there were all these companies that our company used to associate with. They would invite us to their office parties. So it's like for the whole month of December, it's a lot of celebration, I remember those. That was fun.
Yeah.
Coming to think of it, I wonder if they used to coordinate, like the companies probably used to coordinate, like which day, who would have what party when. Because
they did. To give everybody the opportunity to go.
Right. Because I remember there were parties even in the middle of the week. Because, technically speaking, for Fridays and Saturdays,
would not allow for everyone.
It was impossible. Right.
Yeah.
So people were having parties during the
But those parties probably started right after work. It never got too late.
No, man, it depends. it depends, because some companies had, parties like at hotels or somewhere like that. So those are like the posh parties. And then like you have some companies that just decide that they would do it in the conference room, or it just depends.
At the office.
It just depends. Yeah. But it never really matter, where the party was, as long as there's
party,
food and music. Oh yeah.
But yeah, the poinsettias.
The poinsettias for me was a big indicator that Christmas.
And the sorrel.
The sorrel start coming in.
When mommy making sorrel.
Right.
Yes.
Right. Let me ask you, can you recall about the gungo peas? Gungo coming in. Was that an indicator for you that Christmas coming?
No.
I noticed that for a lot of Kingstonians, gungo peas start coming in is not really an indicator for them.
No.
People in the countryside, it definitely was an indicator.
Gungo peas was a thing.
Yeah, man. Gungo peas start coming, say Christmas a come. So
and then
that was
when you see the Christmas card, them coming.
Lord, the Christmas card from foreign, you remember?
the England ones.
Yeah, man. And it come. What they write on the envelope again?
Per avion.
Yes.
No, that was the letter then. But it's still there. Them stamp it on the envelope.
Yeah, man. Them stamp it on there for the Christmas
avion.
Mm-hmm. And you remember how?
I don't know what that mean. What that mean? By ear?
Me no know. Actually, I think that's what it means. It makes sense. It makes sense. But yeah, when that start coming, say, as a matter of fact, I'm trying to remember if at one point, like a telegram, if telegrams used to come in.
I remember that.
Saying, like maybe from foreign, just saying, Merry Christmas or something like that. I can't remember.
No.
I just can't remember if that.
Because but remember when telegram come to Jamaica, it's bad news.
Usually, somebody did. No, but you know what? When mommy used to go country and to give my grandmother one, she used to send telegram. The words are few because you pay per word.
Per word or per letter.
No, per letter. It's per word. But you make the telegram short. So it will be something like, coming July 5th.
Yeah.
Well, you couldn't tell time because it depends on when it goes. So you wait the whole day until she get there. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember that. This was lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for stopping by and allowing
most welcome
us to take this little walk down memory lane.
Thank you. Brought up a lot of things that I've forgotten.
Yeah.
So it was a good laugh.
Right. Yeah. Good memories. Good memories. And guys, this was our springboard. These you can find on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description below. You can pick up your copy and make them gifts. They're absolutely lovely gifts, as you can see, with the glossy covers. All the puzzles are in color.
Great gifts. We are Jamaican. This book will bring back a lot of memories.
Yes.
If you're not a Jamaican, then you will learn about us.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.